Hello there, I am Lola Kait. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing amazing today. So I'm going to show you very quickly how I like to slay my edges. If you're unaware what edges are, it's the border of your hairline. So I'm just going to show you how I like to slay them. It just gives you more of a polished look if you're wearing your hair up. This also works with a side part, or if your hair is down, if you have a side touch behind your ears or something and you kind of just want a little more definition around your face. So yeah, I'm just going to show you how I like to do mine. What you will need is a brand new toothbrush. This has not been used before, so get a brand new one. You need to get a brush with soft bristles and also just some clear hair gel, depending on your hair texture. My hair is like a medium wave and my edges aren't too unruly or too frizzy, so something with a medium hold. This brand is VO5. I just purchased this from the drugstore. I like it also because it's clear, so get a clear one, not a colored one. And if your hair is really frizzy or really curly, use something a little stronger. For instance, this one here is super glued by the brand Schwarzkopf. If you're in the States, this would be equivalent to got to be glued. So this is what you're going to need if your hair is a lot curlier or frizzier, just to hold your edges down throughout the day. I'm just going to jump straight into it. It's pretty easy. First thing, with my clean toothbrush, there's no product on it yet. I'm just going to brush all of my baby hairs forward. Everyone's hair is different, obviously, different shapes, different lengths of baby hair. So just comb it all forward first to see what you're working with, and also just to see how busy you want your line to be. You could style it where there's lots of waves happening, or you could have like just a few waves through the front. I like to have it more on the simple side. I feel like it's a little more my style. Sometimes you can also style your sideburns if you've got sideburns, but you can actually shape them out onto the sides of your face, and you can make this as thin or as thick as you like. What I then do is, with the gel lid, I'm just dipping my brush in a little bit of product, not too much. So that's my part line there. First, I like to smooth all of that back and then just build up the gel if you need it. Okay, so with my baby hairs, okay, combing those forward, okay, then holding that section down and then just blending the ends of that section back into the hair. And then using the neck of my toothbrush, I'm just putting some pressure on the ends just so it dries together. So that's my first section there. So the next wave I'm going to do is here. So brushing the baby hairs forward, and with the hairs behind it, I'm just smoothing those out first, so there's more of a contrast. So these are going back, okay, then the baby hairs forward. So that's my second wave in there. And now this one here, just combing all of the hairs forward like that, and the ones behind it I'm just smoothing back. So as you can see, my sectioning isn't too thick, just because I like my edges more on the finer side. You can do them as thick as you like though. Holding on and then just sweeping the ends of that section back into the hairstyle. And that's also why I like to use a flexible gel, just so I've still got time to move the hair around and shape it before it dries, like before it sets. Okay, and then with this little piece here on the sideburn area, if your hair doesn't have too much curl to it, what you could actually do is pop your product in, and then with the end of a tail comb, I'm just going to direct it around into a little curl. But that there is optional. I like a bit of movement around this area here, but you could leave it straight or you could drag it back into that last wave through there. But yeah, completely up to you. So now again, very quickly with the other side. Okay, and hairlines are uneven, so the sides, even though I have a middle part, they're not going to be exactly the same. So just remember they're sisters, not twins. If you've OCD, don't have a meltdown if they're not exactly the same. They're kind of like eyebrows. Same but different, you know? So holding on to that and then directing the ends back into the hairstyle. From where the ends left off from the last section, the next section here, I'm just brushing those little baby hairs down with the tip of my brush. I don't have many hairs in this section to work with, just because my hairline kind of, this is where it dips back. So just brushing them down rather than forward, down. Okay, holding on to that and then blending the ends back into the rest of the hairstyle. Now this third section in here, I'm going to break it up. So it'll be another little wave here, and then I will style that little sideburn, even though it's not a sideburn, but hopefully you get what I mean. Pushing all the little baby hairs down. Okay, and also it's a good idea to do this before your foundation. Well, one, so you don't mess up your makeup, and two, so you don't get foundation in your hair, because then your hairline's gonna look orange. Oompa Loompa is not a Lola Kait vibe. So I'm just popping a little more product just on the bottom section. Okay, and starting to bring it in towards my face in the beginning. Then I'm getting the end of the tail comb and just working with that section of hair. Now what you need to do is get a little makeup wipe just around the border. Clean up any residue, otherwise that is going to be very shiny. Okay, so this is the final result here, and there's always one side better than the other. My favorite is this side here. So as you can see, they're not exactly the same. They don't have to be perfect. They can be as neat or as messy as you'd like. So get creative with it. I think it's just a nice way to finish off your hairstyle. It just makes everything look a little more polished and put together. So yeah, that is it. That is how I like to slay my edges. So that is it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye, angels. Mwah.